Investors, are you ready? Developers, are you ready? And I'm going to be giving you the end of week 11 and the start of week 12 of this 18-week challenge. So we've got about another 7 weeks to go, including this week. And the question is, are we going to be on time? We're going to start off with the entrance, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be showing you the different zones and where we are with each section. So in this hallway, what we've got is we've got some pocket sliding doors. Now what's really important is to have pocket doors, you've got to have fire glass. It's more expensive, but the effect on the final house is going to be amazing. Let me take you into the now. Here we are on the full view of the second part of the lounge. And this section here, beyond this, is zone 2, which will then step into zone 3, and then we've got the garden. So let me show you what's going on behind you. Zone 1, what I'm here now is the floorboards are up, and the reason for that is we've got to think about the piping from the plumbing, which is all of the waste on the top floor, new loft, bathroom. So where does all that waste go? We've got a pipe that runs down from the top, and then what we're actually doing is we're making it non-visible. So this is where quality comes in, and the pipe will go underground, and then externally we're going to be creating a new zone. Zone 2, this is the main reception that we're going to create for the family, and behind me we've got a staircase. Now what you may have seen in the previous videos is the design detail feature that we're going to create here, and underneath the stairs what we're also going to have is we're going to have a very clever storage solution. So this is where your end user considerations are number one. Let me show you the kitchen. This space is crucial, so this is going to be the wow space, and it's going to be different from the Victorian features. So what we've got organised now, and it's already being commissioned, it's being made within our joinery, is a bespoke kitchen that goes along here, and the colours on it, just wait until it's installed and you're going to be in for a great surprise. Additionally, this floor here has been reduced so that we've got a step, so it brings it down to what we call a sunken kitchen. So we're going to have a polished concrete floor here, we're going to have an island here, and on that side we're going to have some nice skylights. Actually it's a piece of glass, which is what we call a side return, that then leads on to the view that we've got of the garden. Come forward, and what I'll show you is as part of the garden we're going to have 2 sliding doors here, so 2 massive panes of glass, and based on the work that's been carried out, you can see we've got this wall that's been rendered, once again saving time. This wall has been rendered, saving time. That wall has been rendered, saving time. And we're going to have some nice grey slabs here. We've already designed the 2 plant pots here, and then we're going to have a bench here that allows you to sit and look inside. And then we'll match these fences all the way around. There'll be a few lights, and this space is going to look super for the family that's going to live here. Another thing that is very important to stay ahead of time is to get all of your carpentry done. So upstairs, a lot of the architrave around the doors and the installation of the doors has actually been done. Let's go. This is what I'm talking about. So here we have the door frame. We're going to have some architrave around it, and to stay ahead, this door has already been fitted. So as part of your development process, and in order for you to complete a project on time, these are the sort of stages that you need to follow. Also, all the walls have been skimmed. Let's have a look in this room. This is going to be the study, and what we're going to be doing next in this room is skimming the walls, but also the windows will arrive today. So these are Victorian sash windows. Now you can either go for Victorian wood sash windows, or you can go for UPVC. And what the buyers, the families that are going to pay the price for this property prefer is original wood sash windows. And we've got, if you just come here, we've got another one where the frame is already out, and that will also be installed this week as well. Main bathroom, door frames are in. We're going to have a basin here, we're going to have a toilet behind me, and on the right hand side we're going to have a Victorian bath. All of the fixtures and fittings have got to be traditional, so a very good brand to go with is Burlington in terms of your basin, your bath, your taps and your shower. but then we'll really dress this up with the quality of the tiles that we're going to install here, and they're going to be absolutely stunning. So just look out and watch out for that. Surprise, surprise, this is what I was waiting for, the new staircase. Now this is a bespoke staircase that's been made once again in our joinery, and we had to come up with a very clever solution based on the rooms upstairs being split level, and I'm going to show you exactly how we did that. This is where the money is. Here's the other side of the staircase, and what we've got is an entrance here that takes you up one flight, and then there is a platform that takes you into the first bedroom. It wraps around with 2 or 3 steps, and then it goes into the new loft that's been created. The new loft is new space, and new space equals money. So before I go upstairs, I'm just going to go into the master bedroom, and this is a very, very special space. So what you'll see here is, prior to the doors being installed, the carpenters make sure that everything's level and smooth, and it's going to be very, very good quality. So those pieces of wood there are the architrave. Now what you'll notice is in this room, all the walls have already been skimmed, and all of the ceilings have been skimmed. Now what we've done as well to save time is we've got the coving that's been ordered, which lands on site on Wednesday, and that's going to save us time. Now walking into the walk-in wardrobe, all of those wood joinery have been commissioned already. They've been started in order for them to land on site in maybe 3 weeks time, and then we can start installing. And then all of the electrics have already been done. Now, last week, what did we do here? This is the bathroom, or the ensuite, and we've now got the plumbing that's been installed. So we're going to have a double basin here. Those boxes there are the radiators, or some of the radiators that will be installed in the house. And that once again is on site to save time, and we've got some chased electrics here for the lights, and then there'll be an electric shaving socket as well. And then behind me you can see this wood frame that has got some recesses. You'll see those plasterboard areas behind, so that's going to be a really nice recess with an LED lighting. And then this toilet here is going to be a floating toilet. So this is the stage that you guys need to follow in order to do your own developments and make sure that you're working towards a speedy completion. Now this was the pipe, can you see that in the corner? So that will be boxed in neatly, and that goes all the way down into the new drainage that we're creating downstairs. Let's take a look upstairs. Let me just show you the staircase and how this works. So first flights of stairs, they go up. Now, just so you know, this is not a staircase that you can buy off the shelf. It's something that has to be created, and you've got to have the experience and know exactly what you're doing. So this was the first landing, and previously we couldn't get into this bedroom. But now we're going to be able to have one more step going down, and we're into, which I think, now that I'm in here, is a very decent sized bedroom for a child, and we're going to have some fitted wardrobes in there as well. This on the other side shows you that then has another 3 steps that takes you onto a very spacious landing, which gives you the feeling of space. And up here we have a bathroom which can be shared by these 2 bedrooms, and then we've got the new loft room as well, which will be for one of the elder children that the family may have. So normally you have a family with mum and dad and 2 kids, and then we've got a guest room or a study as well. What you'll also notice is that this room's been painted to stay ahead of the game, and all of the wood carpentry bespoke design touches has already been commissioned as well. Let's have a look at the bathroom. Into the bathroom, there you go. Here's a nice wood frame for the doors. The door has also been installed, and then as we go into this bathroom, what we've got now is we've got the wet room shower, which is just behind me here. You can see the drainage there, and then we're going to have a basin where that pipe is, and then we've got the toilet, which is going to be floating. We've lost a bit of space behind there, however the end result is definitely going to be worth it. So that's all being done as well. And then behind me, which is bang on there, is we've got the radiator positioned as well. Okay, so there you have it, end of week 11 and the start of week 12
You can see from ground floor, first floor and top floor, we're working on multiple levels with multiple layers of items that need to be completed in order for us to be on time. And when I say in order for us to be on time, that includes you as the viewers, as investors, as property developers, to make sure that you can replicate what I'm doing. And this information that I'm giving is free knowledge, free information for you guys. There's no seminars, there's no pay for tickets. It's literally subscribe, like, share, follow, and I'm trying to help you as part of your investment journey and making sure that you guys save money, speed up your projects, and learn as part of the process. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe. If you're catching up to these videos, then start off at the start of this challenge, follow it week by week and learn the process of how I simply rinse and repeat and make money. With that said, Monty, see you soon.